dentistry. He practices in the United States of America for 5 years. Then he moved to Montreal to manage Mr. Paul Fleesing Dental Lab for 3 years. He came back to Lebanon to manage the dental lab for almost 10 years. He's the owner of the Dental Aesthetic Studio and Dental Laboratories, a CAD/CAM network. And Raffi will be talking to us about the title of From Post and Core to the Final Restoration Made of Zirconia, a one-stop and shop concept, all in one system. Please welcome Mr. Raffi Khanjian.
Good evening, everybody. Nowadays, everybody wants to have a beautiful smile. Demand on aesthetic is growing up so fast that we had a problem to fulfill the needs of our society. Who doesn't want to have nicely aligned teeth, bright colors, healthy gum? This patient in the early 90s went to a dental clinic and she had problems with her smile, her teeth, and the color of her gum. And this is the aesthetical result, this is the restorations that we had. At that time, everybody was so happy from the aesthetical results. After a couple of years, she went back to the same dental clinic, and she was complaining about the color of her gum and the bad aesthetics. She wanted to have a Hollywood smile like her friends, like everybody in her society, which was a very normal thing to ask for. By that time, many companies were providing us with solutions to deal with these daily problems by introducing on the market all ceram systems, different all ceram systems with better opalescence, transmission, and reflection of light. Just by changing the framework from metal or gold to something white like lucite, alumina, or zirconia. I'm going to show you cases that we used to treat. We worked on like the Impress 2 cases. We had other systems like the Int'l and the Procera alumina systems and the Emax systems. All these were all ceram restorations. We can see that we were having a very good aesthetical result, and we solved the black or the blue gum problem. But we had to face another problem. We had a problem of resistance, adaptation, and time if you were linked to a milling center. And we were unable to fabricate long span bridges with these systems. That's why companies came out with something called zircon. Zircon comes from zargon, a Persian word for precious stone. It comes in two different forms. The pure zirconium comes in two different forms. Hot isostatic pressing, which is a very resistant block of zirconium that you cannot work with easily, and the other form is